Here is how your personal homepage looks like. Running the feedback includes Review Progress, which will give you an insight into responses, and Results of Participants' Reviews will allow you to access to the individual short reports. The Information material will provide you with various information material, like examples of the different report versions or background information in the 360-degree feedback. The Maintenance of Personal Information is where you can change your own password. Now, take a look at the dialog Review Progress. Here, you can use the filter function to narrow down the view of existing processes and restrict it according to your requirements. Free text. You can search for individual processes by entering the name or email of the feedback participant. Start, end date between. By specifying the start, end date, you can display survey periods and processes, with a start, end date in the selected period. Status. Here, you can select processes based on their status. Only participants with perspectives below minimum return quota. By checking this box, you can display all feedback processes in which there are still perspectives that have not reached the minimum return quota yet. You can also use several filter functions at the same time. In this dialog, you can view the return quotas for the individual processes. Here, you can see for each perspective how many feedback providers have already completed the questionnaire, number before the slash, and how many have been invited, number after the slash. A red number means that the minimum return has not yet been reached in this perspective. Now, let's move on to the Results of Participants' Reviews, where you can download the short reports of the participants within your area of responsibility. The filter function in this dialog works the same as in Review Progress, just with fewer options. Like in the dialog Review Progress, you can see the process status for each feedback process in the Status column. If you move the mouse cursor to the symbol, an explanation is displayed. A report can only be generated if the self-assessment is complete. To download the report, simply click on the PDF symbol. The report will open according to your browser settings. In the column Follow-up, you can see every participant's status of the follow-up progress and the entered learning goals and learning activities respectively.